So one of the things that I decided to do this year is to do a YouTube series where I interview people that have held this title, whether it is directly involved with an online community or if that person's held that role, but it's been a very different kind of role in government or industry, in an area that we may not initially think of as having a chief community officer. I want to be asking questions about how is a chief community officer qualitatively different in terms of a CCO versus a community manager or a head of community? Are there differences in terms of the skill sets and roles that we're looking for? I think there are. And I'd like to hear from others about what they think those things will be or what they will look like. And then what they see as the outlook for chief community officers in the year ahead. I don't think that it is a stretch to say that chief community officer as a position is probably viewed as a luxury by a lot of executive leaders. It's maybe not something that's immediately considered in most organizations, whereas it's very common to have a chief marketing officer, a chief financial officer, a chief operations officer. Other kinds of roles around revenue or customer loyalty or a variety of other CXO kinds of positions, CCO among them, are a little more rare to see. And CCOs may be among the rarest of those. Should they be more of a part of other enterprise organizations? I think maybe, but I've got a vested interest in that and would like to understand realistically, what the opportunities are for chief community officers in the future. So that being said, look for that series. I've already run my first interview of it with George COC Samuels, who is an amazing entrepreneur, comes with a variety of skill sets. He's worked as an enterprise community manager. He's worked as a CEO of his own company. He's been an animator, a developer, and a chief community officer in his own right. So he and I had a wonderful conversation this week, and we'll be editing that and getting that up as the first part of the series in the near future. I am going to be having some co-hosts on these interviews, hopefully for some of the future ones. Jay Washington, who is one of my colleagues from the Community Consultants Collective and one of the new board members. Yay, congratulations, Jay. She runs an organization called, I believe, Birdie in the Hand, LLC, and is a community consultant like myself. She's expressed a willingness to be on and be one of the co-hosts for that interview series as well. So look for that in the near future, and we'll go from there.